Oh man. Oh man. So the first drive from Copart. Moment of truth. Wow, look at that. The G-Wagon just came. Alright, we got a tire pressure, low tire pressure. Looks everything is okay. Thank goodness, man. We're gonna do a list of the things that needs to be done. Check this out. When was the last oil change? It was August of 2020, so almost 4 years. So first things first, we're gonna add some fuel because this thing has been sitting for a while, and we're gonna add some air to the tires. That's the only light on the dash, so I'm not gonna complain about that. Look how dirty this thing. Looks like we have a broken taillight. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So this car is unbelievably dirty. Got pet hair, junk, cigarettes, weed, everything, you name it, it's in here. So obviously the biggest issue with the car is hail. These moldings are damaged as well, and unfortunately these are not cheap. So we're gonna have to find a way to get them cheaper. All right, that's enough. $50 worth of gas, and we have a free air here, so might as well do it. We put some gas and we added some air, and that's it. We don't have any lights, and it's running pretty good. We're gonna need to take care of this. It's unbelievable how dirty it is. Okay, so cleaned it up a little bit. We put a new battery. Not a new battery, I had this one used battery in my garage, so we gave an engine a quick cleaning. Now we're gonna do a quick oil change, and I got someone who's coming to change the windshield. That's what we're going to do today. Unfortunately, we are dealing with a stuck oil filter. After breaking 2 screwdrivers, I managed to take out this filter. Look at this. That bad boy was really in there. Yeah. That's what you get when you have a car that has been sitting for like 4 years. We're gonna need to do something about these headlights. It's too foggy. Let's see if we can restore them. So I do have this in the garage. It's a headlight polish restorer. So I just happen to have this 10,000 grit, a super cleaner on the headlight, and then I just rubbed it, you know, not too hard, just a little bit. Check these headlights. Engine oil replaced. We got the headlights cleared up, looking like brand new. We got the windshield done. So it's already coming together. Step by step, we're gonna get this fully repaired, looking like $1,000,000.